Cadê trela? Esse é não.
Vou para cá,
Não deu What this one son? That one.
Vou para cá, Gita.
You see big son. That's it.
Now Biafran man, that Biafran boy from Calabar.
Brother. This is surprise me.
Yeah.
Who say Biafran guy no get sense?
And Mark.
Una see wetin I dey see.
So ụmụnna ka ịgba ka aka mara ihe anyị ga-eme.
Na this young man do this thing.
Igbo na-agba mbọ.
Payloader.
Isi ọwụwa ebe a.
Payloader. Put sand inside tipper. See as they drop the sand inside the mark. Look at it. Can you imagine? Guy, move the tipper. Go ahead. Then, all drop go the mark, the payloader. All drop go the payloader.
Mark gaga tipo. No, onwe two machines so ji alụ ihe ndị ọ na-alụ na
Mark ga drop all the
watch anya.
O move go. Go drop all the sand. Watch the way it's going to tip the sand now.
As perfect as
watch. Can you imagine?
Amatakwa na ọbụrụ Oscar.
Can you imagine that this boy construct this kind of thing? Boy, what's your name?
My name is God Knows.
God knows. You're from where?
I'm from Akwa.
You're from Akwa State. In this Biafra land. Wonderful. Who give you inspiration to do this kind of a thing? Nobody. How do you get inspiration now? What class are you?
I'm
JS1. JS2. Which school? Is it technical school? Technical school. Child, you did well. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah. Try more. Put more effort here. You did well.